look at the volume. Look at how much buyer volume there is. 2, look at this very simple level, guys. It rejects twice. You can argue it's a cup and handle. So this is the open range breakout, which is a pretty interesting trade setup. The price of silver is almost at $39. I have been buying silver at the price of $26, guys. These things are currently going for $860. Again, guys, breakout. I got no pullback whatsoever at all, unfortunately. Good morning, my fellow day traders, and welcome back. Happy Friday, guys. It is currently 6:11 a.m., 20 minutes before the market opens. And guys, guess what? 4 a.m., we hit the gym, so now we're eating our nice protein yogurt bowl. 4 a.m., I woke up and hit the gym. Were you up at 4 a.m. hitting the gym? Probably not, but it's totally fine because guess what? Today, you have an opportunity to make some money, and I hope you make some money today. And as well as that, I hope I make some money today because on Friday, guys, you guys saw we took a $40 loss on the S&P500's, but that didn't hurt nothing because we're still profitable on the week. Today's a new day. Today's a new start of the week, so we're gonna kill it today, guys. It's Monday. I already posted my trade ideas, as you guys can see right here in the trade ideas tab. Now, honestly, there's not really much. I just have a call level, a put level, and if I had to be honest, puts look like it's hitting today, and I'll show you guys why here in a moment. Now, before we do share the screen and show you guys the charts, I do want to mention one thing. This weekend and last weekend, we have went live in the Discord, and even today, guys, we're gonna do a 5:30 p.m. market recap of the whole market as a whole. Not only are we gonna go over the trades that I'm gonna take today, but also we're just gonna go over the market in general, the trades that we could have taken, trades that you took in and want to go over. Now, with all that being said, I hope to see you guys on today's voice chat because yesterday there was unfortunately only one person, which shout out to him, Stormy Myth. Let's see what we can do today. With the S&P500's, I want to go over one thing. The price action tells me we lost the trend line. Look at the rejection. Now we're potentially going to see if we're going to bounce here around this general area. If we don't, then it's most likely going to take a break below, and that's where I might capture some puts, which is on my trade ideas tab. I have a put below 627.56, which is below this level right here. So we'll see what it does, guys. And if we do catch that, we'll catch that. Market is open, guys. Let's see what market does today. Pay attention here. I want you guys to see something here. 1, look at the volume. Look at how much buyer volume there is. 2, look at this very simple level, guys. It rejects twice. You can argue it's a cup and handle, and now it's going for the breakout. 3, all you need to do is be patient, guys. Just be patient. All I'm going to do now is wait for an official breakout with a candle retest. That's it. If you never get the retest, you don't enter. You don't trade. Worst case scenario, you make no money. All-time high is breaking out. I'm not in no trades, unfortunately, but guys, we're going to wait for a retest. One thing that I can't teach, and I'll never be able to teach, I just consistently keep talking about in my Discord, is having discipline, being patient, and just waiting, and having no FOMO, guys. The moment I catch a trade in my favor, guys, that's when I capture the most precise entry. That's when my emotions is at an all-time low. Right now, I bet since the market's going diabolic, since the market's going crazy, people's emotions are super high. They're ready to enter a trade. They want to slap a trade. They want to find an entry. They're already looking for a pullback. Just wait patiently. Worst case scenario, you make $0 today. Best case scenario, you make money today. Worst case scenario, you enter in too early, you chase it, you have FOMO, you have greed, and you miss out on everything, guys. So literally just have patience. Landry Capital, shout out to Landry Capital. He's been an OG since a long time. But he took an open range breakout on Google here. So this is the open range breakout, which is a pretty interesting trade setup or trade style. But either way, this one's busting out here. It's actually even flagging here or consolidating, which is something that you do want to see. Even the buyer volume is kicking in as well. But this is pretty fun. So we're watching Google as a whole. 15-minute open range breakout is just the first 15 minutes of market being open. Then you got the highs and the lows and capture whatever gets broken out first. So in this case, the upside got broken out. You can see this is the upside breakout. He caught the retest on either of these candles, so he's in profits now. Very good trade. You know what's crazy and what's actually working is just putting out business cards randomly. Like I'm talking about just putting them in areas where you live, shops. I'm talking about, oh, hold on. Nice, King. Nah, when that yeet come on though. Thought I'll let you guys in on a little secret of some real physical silver. The price of silver is almost at $39. I have been buying silver at the price of $26, guys. This is a 10-ounce bar right here from Royal Canadian Mints. Now it's 99.99% real pure silver. I bought this for $2.50. Now it's currently going for $4.15. Things I want to show you guys. Look at this. So I bought these at the price of $30 when they were $30 a piece, and I bought 10 of them. Or the Buffalo rounds, guys. These are now over $100 in price. I can sell them. Plus, not even that, guys. I have so much silver. Plus, I have straight from the United States Mint. United States Mint bullion coins. 20 American Silver Eagles. I bought these for $5.60. These are currently going, guys. These things are currently going for $860. I bought this for $560. Guys, come on. Get yourself some silver. The price of silver is going crazy. and I'm happy. I have a Roman Empire coin. You can see it's chipped off from the edges. Really nice, cool looking coin. That is my little secret stashed away next to my beautiful watches. An hour into the market, and I have not taken any trades at all. And now we have another phone to record on. But guys, we have took no trades at all whatsoever. Now I was expecting a pullback at least. Now, of course, many can argue this was a pullback, this was a pullback, but either way, and it's literally an hour and 30 minutes into the market. You guys can see it's 8:04 a.m. Tons of patience when it comes to trading. I don't mind even not trading or capturing a trade. Look, I'm gonna tell you a little hack in the gym. My arms have been pumping because of this, guys. All you need to do is step 1, grab some water. Not even that much, to be very honest. Just like a light amount. Step 2 is just grab 1 single scoop of creatine. This is the important part. Right away. See how there's still hella? Look at the 1 hour time frame on the S&P 500's. I want to show you guys something. This was what I was watching, the breakout of yesterday's highs, which is just right here. Plus, I have all-time highs marked off, which is a level a little bit more further that way. Look at the price action here. Nice breakout. Potentially what can happen is a pullback, maybe dips a little bit below here, but creates a long way to the upside, any downside, indicating that buyers are stepping in. And if it holds the support, I'll probably enter some calls, which probably won't be today, guys. I'm not sure if that's even going to happen today. This is the 5 minutes on the S&P 500. You can see massive breakout, pullback here, breakout, pullback here, and it's pushing up. Who knows what's going to happen? Is it going to continue on up, or is it going to fall down to this general area? And then once it hits this general area, I'm going to see what it does. Then I'll take a reaction, or then I'll watch price action and see what the reaction is. That is how you stay disciplined, patience, and literally just waiting for a setup. Because I don't want to take a trade just because I want to take a trade, just because I want to be in a trade. I got to wait patiently, guys. So honestly, yeah, sometimes it does suck to get to sit here hours on end and catch no trades. But I'm going to work on the computer, edit some videos, watch a whole bunch of educational videos such as classes that I am paying for, and just sit at home, get some work done while watching the market. We're out here sharing setups, and JJ got one of the most beautiful. I mean, just imagine this. This right here looks like I'm in it. Like, what the heck? Am I that high? This is a beautiful, perfect, symmetrical setup. iPad in the middle, drinks on the left, notes on the left. Got his notepad. Guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful setup. And then there's somebody like me. This is just me. Looks dark, whereas his is nice, lit, beautiful. Guys, I need to change something up in here. It's currently 5 p.m. Market's well closed, and we're going to go over what trades I took. But just to keep it short, I took 0 trades. And as you guys can see, this is not a screenshot. This is my account there, and it says 0 positions. So not only did I take no trades, but also we're going to go live here in 30 minutes. So from here in the Discord, I'm going to do a live Q&A. I'm going to go live in the voice chat, answer any questions, go over any trade setups, go over any trades that anybody has questions on, go over levels, break and retest strategy, anything anybody has a question on. And if you guys on YouTube have questions as well, feel free to either drop a comment below. Please like and subscribe on this video. And guys, if you guys want to go one-on-one or have a one-on-one chat, literally in the description, I have a 30-minute session to go one-on-one for free. As well, if you guys want to join the Discord, guys, half off using the code premium, and I'll see you guys in there. Now, real quick, we're going to go live. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of some sauce that we're going to talk about if people would join today, since it's Monday. Who knows if people are even going to join. Let's see how the day takes us. Let's see what people trades took today, and let's kill it. It's a beautiful day out here, so gotta let the birds chirp. So I'm going to quickly go over the trade idea plan that I posted in the Discord, which you guys can see that here in the Discord. Let's go to the trade ideas tab, and you guys can see in the Discord, I posted this very simple level of either I noticed that we're breaking down this trend line, so I expected a bounce here, or this very simple level, which you guys can see. It's this level here with this level here. It's just the high of yesterday. Perfect reaction here. So as you guys can see on the 5 minutes, literally perfect. Nice rejection in the pre-market. Again, guys, breakout. I got no pullback whatsoever at all, unfortunately. That just instantly rocketed. Super hard. That's the only idea plan that I had, and you guys can see I took 0 trades today on my account. Now, I was expecting some type of pullback to bounce here, but we got none of that at all. This goes for anybody who wants sauce, who wants that one-on-one, who literally needs help going one-on-one with trading, whether it's entries, candlesticks, volume, anything you guys need help with. This is your opportunity for anybody not only in the Discord, but also anybody that wants to join the Discord and grab this great opportunity. Because guys, look at this. Sometimes, to be honest, nobody joins. And this is your perfect opportunity to spend one-on-one with me. Ask millions of questions. There are times where a member will join and we'll spend a whole hour in. And I won't even keep track of time. I won't even notice it's been an hour. Guys, so we had such a successful day. Ending the day here. It's currently 7:10 p.m., but that does not mean I'm officially ending the day, because now I'm about to sit there still on the computer, work, create a thumbnail, upload the vlog, which takes hours, make some dinner. I almost said create dinner. Make some dinner, finally rest, take a shower, and then do it all again tomorrow. wake up at 4 a.m., hit the gym. And pretty soon I'm gonna get a new vlog camera. I've been trying to buy one on OfferUp, the DJI Pocket 2. It's just sold out everywhere. I almost got scammed on OfferUp, so I didn't buy it. But that's the new vlogging camera that I'm gonna get here soon. So once I do get that, I'm gonna take you guys with me to the gym. I'm gonna take you guys with me pretty much everywhere because that's such a subtle camera. Whereas like this one, doing this, walking around being like, it's just so goofy. Whereas if I had an actual vlog camera, it would look a lot better. So all that being said, hope you guys had an awesome day and I'll catch you guys in the Discord.